Namaste. So today I'm going to show you how to do a plait that stays at the top. Yesterday we did one where we were folding inwards and the plait stayed inside. This one will be a plait that you are folding underneath so that the plait stays on top of the head. And I might take a bit of a bigger chunk of hair so that you see it bigger. Hello, Violetta. Part 2 of hair. Hair for yoga. When I teach people in person, I always carry extra hairbands because it's important to see your face. So we have 3 pieces of hair, always 3 pieces to do a normal plait. There are some plaits that, like the fish plait, where you need 9 pieces. So, but that's another tutorial. So we start folding the hair underneath, and the same as with the other plaits, you do a few rounds so that you start seeing the plait. And then you start taking from underneath the hair. Hello, Hira. We're doing plaits. And underneath. And I'm taking only from the front. I could be taking hair from the back, but I'm taking just from the front because I want the plait to be just near the hairline. And as you can see, hopefully you can see, I'm starting to get a plait that is on top. There isn't a pocket like there was yesterday. And I could continue it around the hair, all around, taking bits of hair. So that's it. Can you see it? Yes? Good. And then you can continue it around as a crown. Maybe another day with a bit more time I will do it, or you can just tie it at the back. Like this. So you get nice, tidy plait to do your yoga with. Namaste.